Dear students, parents, fellow educators, distinguished guests, again, good morning. So, with a lot of pride in my heart, no, my task is to introduce our speaker, which is very close to my heart. No? So, before that, no, every time I talk to my students about their career, no, a lot of students wants to be a teacher. Pero nga bago ginapin sa ila, Noy, anak, maluoy ka sa kaugalingon mo. Kabut lang mo teacher, hindi lagi magsunod maluoy ka. Pangita lang niya career. Pero probably there are people na hindi siya mahinang nila lang. So he was able to make it. So very close to sa amon yung heart, not only in my heart, but the rest of the teacher's heart because sa una, he was one of you students. No, dire. So he started here at junior high school, from Manito Marvilla. Of course, with honors, academic excellence awardee, and a SSG president during his grade 10. Also active TNE and Filipino officer in his junior high. And also in senior high school with honors, academic excellence awardee, awarded with leadership award, Supreme Students Government, SSG president, grade 12. Now, there is a specific one activity that he has done during Teacher's Day, which has been televised. I don't know kung nakadumdum ka mo or may nakita niyo na. But what he did for the teachers was televised on national TV. SSG Federation District Representative, Division Level, Multi Club Vice President, 2017-2018, and Class Mayor during his grade 11. And right now in his college, Bachelor of Science of Secondary Education, major in Filipino in Carlos Hernando State University 2022-2023. Of course, he's a Dean's Lister, Best in Demonstrating Teacher Award. And currently at Notre Dame of Talisay as a private school teacher. And I'm very, very proud to tell you that he is a licensed professional teacher. So congratulations on that. So today, he stands before you as a testament of growth, perseverance, success, and inspiration. Now he knows and he feels how hard it is to become a teacher, to nurture different personalities in each class, to nurture different